Hi guys, this is the first video of a tutorial about installation and knowledge of RProject and RStudio. For the first time, we are going to install the CRAN, the package repository of RProject. The first step is to access in the web browser of your preference the RProject site. You can simply search for CRAN RProject in the web browser and next click on the link. At the first message, access Download or Windows, and next install OR for the first time. ONS is the first time installing OR on the computer. Then it's necessary only click on Download or Windows, the new version, and you'll have the CRAN on your personal computer. The second step is open the program saved in the folder of your preference. You can't see my screen at this moment because I'm with the administrator screen open, asking me for permission to do the installation, so I'll click yes. It will be necessary to choose the idiom of preference to use installation wizard and next agree to the terms of use. The next screen is the destination folder where the program will be saved. There are two types of installations, user mode and custom installation. If you are an initiate or basic level user, I recommend using the user mode. In this way, the predefinitions of the program will be chosen automatically. If you like to choose software personalization, then it's advisable to follow the custom installation. Anyway, the next screen asks you about initial personalizing settings too. The wizard installation informs that a folder will be created for R on the Start menu. In the question of shortcuts, it's possible to choose a way on the desktop and an initialization bar. In my opinion, shortcuts pollute the screen, and then I won't click on these boxes. Also, it's possible to save the version number on the register and associate any archive on our language to be opened using the software when accessed. So, it's necessary to wait for a bit to occur the installation. It won't during more than 5 minutes if you have a regular machine. Well, this was the RProject CRAN installation. In the next video, you will keep up with the RStudio installation. See you soon!
I can't do nothing with you.